The Tokyo Buddhist alt is characterized by its beautiful wood grain and sturdy, simple construction. As it is relatively less ornate, it requires high-quality materials and skilled craftsmanship to create. Tokyo Buddhist alt mainly utilizes hardwoods such as ebony, rosewood, and mulberry, which have been carefully dried. The cut materials are carefully bonded to the base wood, using adhesive and tightly secured with ropes to ensure a strong bond. The various components that form the foundation of the Buddhist alt. Such as the frame for the shoji screens and drawers, are assembled. The delicate latticework for the shoji screens is crafted. For expensive Buddhist alt, intricate carvings like the shoji screens and Ranma are added to parts. Each Buddhist alt is meticulously crafted, and it seems that the heartfelt prayers and reverence of those who worship their ancestors are entrusted to them. And now, the Buddhist alt is complete. Thank you for watching.